Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, product roadmap, I found this really nice template. It's absolutely great. I'm going to show you how to add it and I'm going to tell you now why it's so helpful. So imagine you have a bakery, let's say, and you want to launch new cupcakes. Now the Mondaycom product roadmap template is great because it's a plan for this cupcake you want to create. So you can break down the cupcake launch into stages, think like recipe development, design fancy frosting, and spread a word, and then you can have maybe another plan for how to promote your business. So you can design and work on this. I'm going to show you right now. You can add maybe also tasks for recipe development. You can try different flavors, find the perfect way to promote it as well. So yeah, everything connects. That's what I like, and you can keep your team organized as well. So let's click on this plus here. Let me first turn off this presentation overlay. And if you go here to add item, you can add an item to your workspace, but you also have this option here, which is template center. I'm gonna click on this one here. Then if I in the search bar here, I write products. Here I should see something related to, okay, this one here, product roadmap. I'm gonna click now on this one here. And what this basically says here is that now strategy to use Monday.com or to learn Monday.com fast is, at least to get used to it and you learn, is actually looking at templates. I learn a lot by just looking at templates and how can I structure my ideas, my plan. Let's say for this example, for product roadmap. Now imagine you have a whiteboard with your business plan laid out with you. That's kind of how I see this product roadmap, and that's what it is. It really gives you a broad picture of what you're working next, and it's helpful. It's like a new product launch or marketing campaign, and it really helps you keep everyone on track. Team members see their tasks and deadlines, so there's no confusion. We can see here use template. You also have to copy the link. You also have this arrow pointing down if you want to use a template in for a workspace and for a new workspace if you want. So we add this template to a new workspace. And as I said, you can easily see how everything progresses, and that's what I like. You see, it also gives you see product planning. Now here you have some examples, okay? Now they aren't really related, some of them on the first state, newsletter, some of them are, but just this is really nice because it really gives you an overview of your tasks. So here we have some groups. We have dependent on. All right, and if you don't know what this means, I find dependencies to be very helpful because when I'm working on a team, on a project, sorry, and there's one task that can't even start without the other one to start, so they have to be connected, and they're really, that's where dependency will come into place. And it's, you can think of it like connecting arrows on your to-do list. They show how tasks rely on each other, and they're very helpful. Now you added, we already have here for this plan already added dependent on, but let's say I deleted them, right? Now how can we add them? Well, we just need to go here, click on add, and now click on more, and now here in the search bar write dependency, and here you have, just click on add to board, And now here you see how it kind of works. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.